Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update tax payments tracking with IRS Online Account, full guide step by step clearly. To update your tax payments tracking using your IRS Online Account, start by accessing the IRS website. Navigate to the sign-in section of the IRS Online Account page. Enter your username and password to log in. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to register for one. Once logged in, look for the dashboard or homepage interface. Locate the section labeled Payments or Payment History. Click on that section to view your tax payment details. You may see options to view past payments, upcoming payments, and payment methods. To update your payment information, find the Update Payment Method option. Select that option and follow the prompts to enter your new payment details. Enter your bank account information or credit card details as required. Review your information carefully to ensure accuracy. After verifying the details, submit the updated payment information. You will receive a confirmation notification once your changes have been processed. To check your updated payment status, return to the Payments section. Make sure to log out of your IRS Online account when you're finished. This helps ensure your account's security. For further assistance, use the Help section on the IRS website. You can also reach out to IRS customer service if needed. That concludes the steps for updating your tax payments tracking with your IRS Online account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.